Hey there, business leaders. If you're looking to supercharge your success in 2025, buckle up, because we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence. AI-enabled devices are everywhere. Believe it or not, nearly 77% of devices today use AI technology in one form or another. That's right, from your smartphone to your smart home devices, AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Now let's talk numbers. The growth of AI startups has skyrocketed 14-fold since the year 2000. And guess what? More of them are popping up every year. This means more innovation, more opportunities, and more ways to leverage AI for your business. 84% of C-suite executives are on board with this trend. They believe that adopting and leveraging AI is crucial for driving growth objectives. And they're not wrong. The global AI market is booming. It's projected to reach a whopping $190.61 billion by 2025, with a compound annual growth rate of 36.62%. That's massive. But wait, there's more. By 2030, artificial intelligence will add an incredible $15.7 trillion to the world's GDP, boosting it by 14%. Imagine the potential for your business if you start integrating AI now. And here's a fun fact for you. There will soon be more AI assistants than people in this world. Forecasts indicate that there will be 8.4 billion AI-powered digital voice assistant units by 2024, which actually surpasses the total global population. So, how can you use AI to your advantage? Start by identifying areas in your business where AI can make a difference. Whether it's automating routine tasks, enhancing customer service with chatbots, or utilizing predictive analytics to make smarter decisions, the possibilities are endless. Next, invest in AI technologies that align with your business goals. There are plenty of AI tools and platforms available that can help you streamline operations, improve efficiency, and drive growth. Don't be afraid to experiment and innovate. And finally, stay informed. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Attend industry conferences, read up on the latest trends, and network with other business leaders who are leveraging AI to their advantage. Remember, the future of your business could very well depend on how effectively you integrate AI into your operations. So take the leap, embrace the technology, and get ready to supercharge your success in 2025 and beyond. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's dominate 2025 together.